Hey everybody, it's nearly time for the bird rave, but before that can happen, we need to make ourselves some bird rave plumages, and I'm going to show you how.
You're going to need baseball cap, tissue paper, pom-poms and pipe cleaners. First we'll make the beak. Fold the peak of the cap in two and then use scissors to cut out a beak shape. Next we'll make some feathers. Fold up the tissue paper and cut along the edges. Then cut out a feather shape. Repeat this step a few more times with different coloured tissue paper and you'll soon have a pile of feathers. Then use some PVA glue to start attaching the feathers to the cap. Keep on adding feathers until the cap is entirely covered. Next, attach a pom-pom to one end of a pipe cleaner and then attach the other end of the pipe cleaner to the cap. Then take another pipe cleaner and wrap it around the first one. Repeat this step a few more times and your bird rave plumage is complete.
And now you're ready to bird rave!